Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Canada Emergency Business Account, CEBA loan for small businesses. What is CEBA loan actually and how it can play a vital role to help small businesses to grow the economy? As we all know, this coronavirus pandemic has badly impacted everyday life all over the world, forcing governments to implement lockdown for safety precautions. As a result of the lockdown, small to medium businesses suffered a lot and many of them were forced to shut their businesses. Looking deeply into this matter, the Canadian government launched CEBA, Canada Emergency Business Account, on April 9, 2020. To help SMEs, small to medium businesses, to apply for finance programs and get up to $40,000 of interest-free loans. As a small business owner, cash flow is a problem, and this $55 billion program will help SMEs to restart their businesses when the economy reopens. As a business owner, you can avail of this opportunity now and can repay this loan on or before December 31, 2022, which will result in loan forgiveness of 25% up to $10,000. CEBA currently offers loan programs from more than 220 financial institutions all across Canada. You can check the CEBA website for a complete list of financial institutions that are included in their program. Now let's talk about recent stats of the CEBA loan program. By the end of this week, 785,806 number of businesses have been approved for CEBA loans, adding 3,325 only this week. And $31.43 billion total funds have been approved for CEBA loans, adding $133 million this week. Now let's discuss, what are the eligibility requirements for the CEBA when you go to apply? As of October 26, 2020, eligibility for CEBA has expanded by removing the previous March 1, 2020, condition for having an active business checking operating account. With this removal, eligible businesses can now apply after opening a business checking operating account with their primary financial institution. The CEBA application process follows one of two streams, the payroll stream. Applicants with employment income paid in the 2019 calendar year between CDN $20,000 and CDN $1,500,000. If you fall into the payroll stream and once you have completed the application with your financial institution, the Government of Canada will assess the application and inform your financial institution of the approval or decline of the loan. If approved, your financial institution will provide the funds into your business checking operating account. The non-deferrable expense stream. Applicants with CDN $20,000 or less in total employment income paid in the 2019 calendar year. If you fall into the non-deferrable expenses stream, you must also meet the following criteria. 1. Have eligible non-deferrable expenses between CDN $40,000 and CDN $1,500,000. Eligible non-deferrable expenses could include costs such as rent, property taxes, utilities, and insurance. Expenses will be subject to verification and audit by the Government of Canada. 2. Filed an income tax return with the CRA with a tax year ending in 2019 or, if its tax return for 2019 has not yet been submitted, 2018. Also, every applicant must meet the following criteria. Has an active CRA business number (BN) with an effective date of registration on or prior to March 1, 2020. 1. Has an active business checking operating account with the lender at the time of applying for CEBA. Note: if borrower currently does not have a business checking operating account, the borrower must create one at their primary financial institution before applying for CEBA. 2. Has not previously used the Canada Emergency Business Account Program, the program, and will not apply for support under the program at any other financial institution. 3. Intends to continue to operate its business or to resume operations. As an applicant, you can apply until December 31, 2020. So this was all about the CEBA loan program. I hope this video will help you out. For more information, you can visit the CEBA website, link in the description. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.